Hi guys, my name is Brennan. I'm the owner. I had an unbelievable experience with StartAJuiceBar. They really worked well with me to kind of bring my brand and what I had in mind, to life, right? Like they helped make that a reality. I sort of kind of came to them and I was like, hey, I have this idea. I want to do this, and this, and they were able to, cohesively like break that down into steps. Like, okay, this is the best way to make that happen, right? And they were able to meet me kind of halfway and where I'm at, and kind of make my dream come to life. And the one thing that I will say is I would 100% recommend going with them and using them, because I think the first hesitation people might have is, oh well, I don't know if I want to invest in it, but just trust me when I'm telling you, if you go ahead and invest in them, someone who knows what they're doing, experts, down the line it will save you a ton of money. Do it right the first time, right? They are able to have the experience, they can give that to you, right? So you don't have to make this mistake that you would have made, 3 months from now or whatever, right? So just really take that time, invest, in them, and it's really investing in yourself, because I'm telling you, down the line, it will be just unbelievably better. So I've had an absolutely amazing experience. Seriously, they've helped with a bunch of aspects with us, right? Putting the stuff together, marketing, coming in here, and our training has been unbelievable. I mean, it's absolutely been a game changer, and honestly, we would not have been able to do it without them at all. Seriously.
Hi guys, my name is Bryce O'Brien. I'm the general manager and operator. I've been an operator for well over 20 years, and I have to say, honestly, the amount of stuff that they did on the back end before I even came on board was absolutely a lifesaver. It saved me easily a month and a half to 2 months worth of admin work, menu planning, smallwares, prep lists, all sorts of stuff like that. Recipe builds already in. Easily saved me, like I said, a month and a half to 2 months worth of work. I've been an operator for as long as I have, and it made my job for probably this is probably the 4th new concept open I've done, and it's shaved off so much of my time and so much of my stress from everything already being done. I highly recommend it. Just on the admin part alone, as an operator, I would highly recommend you guys working with them. It's totally worth it. Saves you guys a ton of money.
And also for the actual training aspect, so we had obviously Nate come in. He was an unbelievable trainer. We were kind of going back and forth on whether we wanted to do a week or 2 weeks. We've heard that some people do 3 days. So I actually opted for the 2 weeks, and let me tell you, you can never be too prepared. I recommend getting as much training as you can possibly do. You can never be too prepared. You really want to get going, right? You want to hit the ground running. You want to know what you're doing. And there's always more that you can learn, right? So the more time that you can spend with them and have that trainer kind of come in and really hone you guys, right, and hone your skills, I think the better. I'm just for the training aspect too, specifically the 2 weeks was absolutely a lifesaver. So I completely recommend whatever you guys can do. Seriously, it's 100% worth it.
Definitely, I agree with that.
For
Training
sure.
was totally worth it.
Oh yeah. And it was a lot of fun too.
Nate's the man.
Yeah, it was very, very cool. It was very, very fun. So thank you guys, seriously.
Thank you.
StartAJuiceBar, thank you guys so much. It's really meant a lot. You guys. Literally a year ago, I just had this idea in my head, and it's here. This is crazy. And to have your guys' help, you guys were instrumental. I can't thank you enough. It's been unbelievable. So thank you so much.
Awesome.